Did you know currently there are nearly 1 billion people on this earth who do not have access to clean water? Water is essential. Water is life. As an environmental engineering student, I can recognize the values and the work that goes into providing our country or even just the city with clean water. That's why I'm going to be relating a very important statistical topic, which is Statistical Process Control, to the water quality control. Statistical Process Control, SPC, it's a set of techniques that are used to control the quality of a product during the manufacturing stages. Basically, the way it does that is by continuously comparing the results by drawing samples, and you compare that with a standard. And so by doing so, you're able to identify variations, and then you're able to narrow down the variables that are causing these variations, and eventually you're able to control them and reduce them more and more and more, and eventually reduce the waste completely. Upon studying Claremont's Lake County Sewage and Water Supply Company, I was able to get an analysis on treated water. They do a quality control on over 30 chemical parameters, but the three most important would be turbidity, residual chlorine, and aluminum. You then are able to put this data onto a control chart, and then we are able to make better inferences on what are the causes of variability, whether they're natural, whether it's due to humidity fluctuations and temperature changes, or if it's a special case like errors in measurements or operating errors, or even the machine was reset. We're able to clearly identify them. Another important instance for control charts, they have to be normally distributed, meaning they cannot be autocorrelated. On the control charts, you will see MCL and MCLG. MCL meaning it's the highest level of contaminants that is allowed into drinking water, and then the MCLG is the level of contamination of the drinking water below which there's no known or expected risk. As you can see, it is a very meticulous process in which we are able to obtain clean drinking water. Because water is so essential to our health and the benefits that come with it, sanitation and hygiene, it's so essential for health and development that I thought it was very important to tie this in with also a very important and progressive topic, which is statistical process control.